In this video we are going to work on playing a surprise song. So for that we open up the Scratch window, take a particular sprite, let's say guitar, from this search box, pick any of that, and we don't need the cat sprite, we are going to delete it. We need a particular background. You can take any background. Here we are searching for this beach kind of a background, and you can place the sprite anywhere on the game stage wherever you want. Now we need to give instructions that when you press a particular key, then only the sound should be made. So here we are taking this from the events category, that when you press this particular key, so it has to play sound. Now for sound we are taking first instruction as play this particular sound, and what we want is we want it to pick randomly, like whatever the codes are available for this. Like here in the drop down list you can see many codes are there, so it has to pick random codes. So we give a particular range, like from 1 to 8 or 1 to 5, or whatever the number of instructions are there, whatever the particular number of codes are available, you can take any number from that. And once it plays the sound, it should change the color also. So basically this is the code that we have to give. And to make it more interesting, what we can do is we can repeat this particular set of instruction again and again. So once you are playing it, you can see that whenever we are pressing the key, it is changing the color, and it is playing sound also, different sounds. Now one way is to put it on to a repeat block, that this many number of times it should play a sound continuously, like 4 number of times, 5 number times, like that. Further, we can give separate instructions without this repeat block also. So in order to do that, we are going to right click and duplicate and join these instructions. We can add wait instruction also, like wait for some time and then play the sound, just to add more to just to make it more melodious. And once you are through this, you are going to just duplicate this particular set and join it with the first instruction. So here what you can see is play a particular sound, wait for some time, play different sound, then change the color, then again play a sound, then again change the color, then wait for some time, and again play a sound, change the color of the sprite. So this is how it works. And once you click on that particular key, so this is how it plays. Now we need to save the work, so go to the save instruction from the menu, and let's say this is a surprise song, and we are through.